What's up guys, welcome back to my page. Today's video has to do with a squeaky faucet. Have you ever noticed when you have this Culligan faucet and you go and open your water and turn it off, you have a really loud squeak coming from the handle here? Well, I'm going to show you how to fix that today. It's pretty simple. So first thing you're going to want to make sure is you turn off your tank valve here like I did to the right and your incoming RO feed water valve. I already turned them off. So now we're going to come back up and you're going to just make sure there's no water coming out. All right, perfect. Next, there is a small little plate here that covers a screw. You're going to remove that with a tiny little flathead. Stick it in there and it's going to pop out. Next, you're going to see that there is a screw in there. You take your Phillips screwdriver, remove that screw. Just like that. Now you can grab the faucet handle and wiggle it out. There you go. Next, you're going to take some channel locks and this black part here, you're just going to twist off. There you go. Just like that. All right, now you can grab the inner part of the handle here. You're going to pull it out. Just take note of which way it's oriented. You see these black rubber O-rings there. You're going to take some grease. Just lubricate the O-rings all the way around. And you're going to put it in the same way that you took it out, which would be this way here. With the flat head. The flat part of this round part is going to be facing down. Then you can grab your black locking ring. You're going to lock it in place. And then if you look at your faucet as well, it has a flat part that's going to match the flat part on the white little piece here. So flat part down, flat part down. Stick your faucet in. There you go. All right, next you're going to take your screw. You're going to screw it back in just the same way that you took it out. You're going to hold the handle with one hand, screw it in with the other. Just like that. You put your cap back on. Just like that. Now you can come back down here, turn on the tank, turn on the feed. And just like that, voila, your faucet is no longer squeaking. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, ideas, make sure you leave a comment and I will address it and take everything into consideration. Thanks, guys.